Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you need to do a hard reset on a Samsung Galaxy A22, but you do not have access to it because the lock screen is locked and you don't have the pin code. We can actually bypass that pin code and remove it, keeping in mind this will wipe everything else off the phone as well. So all we need to do is, first of all, we need to turn our phone off. And so if you can't get it to turn off, you can just do press and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously until it turns off. That will force it to turn off. And as soon as it turns off, you can switch from holding the volume down button to holding the volume up button. So you're simultaneously holding the power and the volume up button. And you're going to keep holding it until you see the Samsung Galaxy logo appear on the screen, at which point you will let go, let it to continue to load, and it will load up in this recovery menu. Then from here, you can use the volume buttons to toggle through, and you can toggle down to wipe data factory reset and hit the power button to select it. And that will open up this menu, which you can toggle down to factory data reset and hit the power button to select that. Keeping in mind, as soon as you hit the power button here, there's no going back. It's going to wipe everything off your phone. So if you do that, give it a few seconds to go through the wiping process, at which point you can select to reboot the system, and it will turn your phone off and it will reboot up like it did the day it came out of a box new. I hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.